Hello guys, welcome in Tech Jarvis. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Magisk Manager in Samsung device. Guys, first of all, I will show you my device is Galaxy J210F and I'm gonna install Magisk Manager in this device. To install Magisk Manager, TWRP Recovery must be installed on your phone. If you don't know how to install TWRP Recovery, then check the card here. So guys, first of all, I will show you my phone is rooted or not. I'm opening Root Checker Basic app and click on Verify Root. So guys, as you can see, sorry, root access is not properly installed on the device. And as you can see, root install difficulty is hard in this Galaxy J210F device. So how to install Magisk Manager? First of all, download these two files, Magisk version 20.4 and version 19.2. But from the TWRP recovery, we flash this Magisk version 19.2 file. So power off your phone and put your phone into the recovery mode. Now my phone is boots up into TWRP recovery. So here, first of all, I recommend to take a backup all the things. In case of any boot loop, you can restore the backup from here. So another step is click on install and select the Magisk version 19.2 file. Here is my Magisk version 19.2 file, and just open this and just swipe to confirm flash. Now it's flashing, so wait. Guys, do not install Magisk version 20.0 because if you install this version, then Magisk is not installed on your phone. So click on reboot system and click on do not install, and phone is rebooting. Now my phone is rebooted successfully. After few seconds, you can see Magisk here. Yes, so guys, as you can see, Magisk is installed. So just open this. So Magisk Manager update is available and the zip is also available. So click on update and click on install, and installing is running in the background. So wait until the APK is download.
A few minutes later.
Guys, after 5 and 6 minutes, application is not installed yet from here. Then I download Magisk Manager from their official website. So you can download from the description box. Open this and click on install. Magisk Manager is installing. Wait. Now application is installed. Click on open. And here is the new update, as you can see. Now zip update is available. Do not update from here. Go to here and install. Click on install from storage, allow, and select the updated version, that is Magisk version 20.4, and application is installing. Now flashing is done. Click on reboot system. Now phone is rebooting. So wait until the reboot process is completed. Now phone is booted. Let's see Magisk Manager is properly installed or not. So open Magisk Manager. It shows installed 20.4 and APK is updated too. So guys, by this way you can install Magisk Manager. Let's see phone is rooted or not. So open Root Checker Basic app. And click on Verify Root. And click on Grant. So guys, congratulations, your root access is properly installed on the device. So by this way you can root your phone and install Magisk Manager in any Galaxy device. Guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.